I know you're tired. Your brain is on overload. Everything is working a mile a minute. I know. I get it. I got you. Here is a very quick Kundalini yoga technique. It is a mantra and a meditation. And at the same time, you can use it anywhere and everywhere as a quick pick me up for whatever it is that's draining your energy, whatever it is that needs to be put back together. Okay. So join me now, sit comfortably. You can do this in the car, make sure you're parked. You can do this at home. You can do this anywhere where you need a little pick me up and you have a little bit of privacy. Okay. So what we're going to do here is bring the palms together and then fold down all the fingers except for the ring fingers. These remain pointed forward and the thumbs lay next to each other. You can cross them if you feel more comfortable, no biggie. And then aim your fingers out as if you were sending a laser beam from your heart space. And now breathe into your heart space. This is a way of getting grounded, getting centered, getting connected with the intention of mentally refueling. Okay, so if there was fatigue before, now we are refueling with the vital energy of breath and the vital energy of sound. Two of the most healing techniques known to our human existence. So take a few moments now to breathe deeply and see if you can breathe right down into your heart space. So lengthen and deepen your breath, inhaling for a count of 4, exhaling for a count of 4, and let that fall right into the area of your chest. Good. Take a moment and realign your shoulders. And here we're using the sound ONG, O-N-G. The sound of Ong is all that is manifest in the universe. It's different from the sound of Om, which is used in Hatha Yoga. The sound of Om is all that is unmanifest, what is coming into being, where Ong, O-N-G, is what is and what is the potential of this moment. And that's what we're going to draw on right now, the sound current. Close your eyes, let them gently fall all the way down. You can also leave a little tiny sliver open so that a little bit of light is coming in. And here we're going to chant the sound Ong 10 times. You go at your own pace. I'm here to set the rhythm for you, and then we're going to complete our practice. And notice how you feel right now and how you feel after. Inhale deeply. Om. 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 Last one. Om. Place your palms together. Let the sound vibrate through you, around you, for you. Notice your experience now. Come back to this sound vibration anytime where you need a refresh, a recharge, a regeneration of your vital energy. Do it with mantra, with mudra, and just a few rounds. You can feel so much more impactful. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thank you so much for joining. Like, share, subscribe, do the things. See you next time. Sa na